Hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today, introducing this incredible brand new program. And the name of the program is the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, okay? And you're able to earn quite a substantial amount of money with this system, all right? And so I want to share a few things about it with you. You can earn $1,000 plus per week with our program. So I want to share a few things with you before I close this video out. And before I go to the next slide, I want you to know that at the end of this video, I've got a power thought that I want to share with you. So be sure to stay around for that thought, okay? All right, how would you like to receive multiple $100 payments direct to you? And now with our program, you're able to choose your own payment processors and receive your money the way you want to receive your money, okay? And some of the benefits that we have, one is that it's a $100 one time out of pocket, okay? And you pay the $100 one time out of pocket to your sponsor, and then you're able to receive multiple $100 direct payments. Now think about this. There's no admin fee, there's no monthly auto ships, there's no monthly fees of any kind, and so you're just able now to make multiple $100 payments, okay? Again, you're able to choose the payment processors that you desire to use. This is a peer-to-peer funding program. It is peer-to-peer funding made easy, all right? It is a give a gift and receive a gift program. And I like the idea of giving and gifting, although this is not a gifting program. Why? Because there's a product involved. But if you think about that you're able to bless somebody else and then you're going to get blessed as well, then that's powerful, okay? It's a $100 one time out of your pocket for the Secret 3 Pages. And that's powerful in itself, okay? We're going to share some of that with you. And plus, you'll have the rights to market the program, okay? And it's simple, it's easy, it's straightforward. We've got nothing fancy, nothing difficult or convoluted, okay? And if you can copy and paste, then you can do this program, all right? And I'm going to introduce you to a free, easy website system to use if you would like to use it. And I like having a web page or a website, okay? You don't really need it, but I like it. And so I wanted to make sure that there was a system that I could share with you where you can get it absolutely free. Absolutely free. You can use the free system. You can copy and paste information like you're looking at now right into that system, and you can share that with other people. So it's very powerful. We've got advertising resources that we can share with you. I mean, powerful advertising resources. Some of my top resources. And also, there'll be training involved for those who would need that as well. So we have a lot that will offer you. Okay? Okay, now, if you were to receive 10 $100 direct payments in a week, you would earn $1,000 per week, okay? The potential is real. Obviously, you build yourself up to that point. You might be able to do it outright, or you might have to build yourself up to that point, but the potential is real. And so the question, what would you do with an extra $1,000 per week? Or what would you do with an extra $1,000 per month? I'm sure any one of those would be very beneficial to you. See, what is the reason for you wanting to generate extra income? Do you desire to help with your rent or mortgage? You need help with a car note, a vacation or venture fund, an education fund, seed money for a special project, some medical bills you want to pay off, insurance, to bless family members or others, home improvements, or to get out of credit card debt. See, what's the reason that you would like to earn extra money? So think about that, because that would become your why. And your why becomes very, very powerful, okay? And again, this is a peer-to-peer funding program made easy, okay? Now, if you would, pay very close attention to me in this part here, because the secret 3 pages contains life-changing information, okay? And I'm talking about power-packed in 3 nice long pages. This is incredible, okay? It is a Cliff Notes type of discourse that offers some of the most powerful, concise concepts and principles for personal transformation and self-discovery. Are you ready to change your life? Learn to develop a high-powered mindset. Learn how to release your fear and get into possibility thinking, living and being. Discover how to overcome self-limiting and self-defeating attitudes and behaviors, even those that are hidden. Also, learn how to increase your personal power. So, be sure to check out everything on my website. And what we do is we under-promise and over-deliver, okay? Okay, now I did have some more information that I wanted to put on this video, but I decided not to do that. I'm just going to invite you to the website. Be sure to check everything out there, okay? But this is a power thought that I wanted to share with you. And it says, it's not enough to wish or hope for change. We need a strong desire to change our lives if that is what we want to do. Without a strong desire, we just settle for whatever it is that we get. Okay? Folks, this is Terry Brown, and I'm signing off. And be sure to grab the link in the description area of this video. And make sure that you go to my website, check everything out, okay? All of my information, contact information is there. And this is a brand new program. I developed the program, and it's really based on a lot of work I've done in personal growth and development. And I've put together a really, I believe it's a tremendous program that can help individuals and families to make some extra money. Okay? I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome, magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.